Did you know you can send SMS messages directly from Cline, the AI coding assistant? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Cline to Ozeki SMS Gateway and start sending text messages using the power of AI. How does this solution work? Cline connects to Ozeki SMS Gateway through the MCP protocol, where the gateway acts as an MCP server and forwards messages to the SMS service provider over SMPP for delivery to the recipient's mobile phone. What is Cline? Cline is an AI-powered coding assistant extension for Visual Studio Code that helps developers write code faster and more efficiently. What is an SMPP SMS MCP Server? Is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway system, which delivers messages to the mobile network over an SMPP client connection. Before you can use the SMS MCP server, you need to install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Download the installer from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation. Once installed, the gateway will start automatically, and its web-based management interface will be accessible from your browser. To connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network, navigate to the Connections panel and add a new SMPP client connection. Enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider, then save and activate the connection to bring the gateway online. To create an MCP user account, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type from the list. Enter a username and password, then open the Advanced tab to generate an API key that you will need in the next steps. To configure the MCP server in Cline, navigate to the MCP server section and open the Configure tab to edit the JSON configuration file. Add the Ozeki server entry with your gateway address and API key, then save the file to complete the setup. To add the SMS MCP Server config to Cline, open the Cline extension in Visual Studio Code, navigate to MCP servers, and add the Ozeki server configuration with your gateway address and API key. After saving the configuration file, Cline will automatically connect to the MCP server and display the available SMS tools. To test SMS sending, open the Cline panel in VS Code and type your SMS request in plain language, such as asking to send a message to a phone number. The AI model will interpret your request, invoke the appropriate MCP tool, and display the tool result confirming that the message was successfully submitted to the gateway for delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway, navigate to the MCP User Details page by clicking on the MCP User entry in the Users and Applications panel. In the MCP User Event Log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. Thank you for watching. With Ozeki SMS Gateway and Cline connected, your AI coding assistant can now send SMS messages, keeping everything on premises for full control over your communication workflows. Subscribe for more tutorials and stay connected.